Express 4 cosec squared 2 theta minus cosec squared theta in terms of sine theta and cos theta. Hence, show that 4 cosec squared 2 theta minus cosec squared theta equals sec squared theta. Hence, or otherwise solve for theta between 0 and pi. This equation here equals 4, giving your answers in terms of pi. So let's have a look at the question then. Here it is here in summary form. So cosec squared 2 theta minus, express this in terms of sine theta and cos theta. Okay, so A. So answer equals, so this thing I've just labelled as answer. So I don't have to write it again, that's all. Now, cosec squared is 1 over sine squared 2 theta, isn't it? So that's 4 over cosec is sine squared 2 theta minus cosec squared theta, which is 1 over sine squared theta. Okay, that's what we've got then. So, how are we going to sort this out then? This is equal to 4 over, this is 2 sine theta cos theta squared will be 4 sine squared theta cosine squared theta. So 2 sine theta cos theta squared will be 4 sine squared cos squared minus 1 over the sine squared. 4's will cancel, thankfully. So it equals then 1 over sine squared is common, so let's take that outside a bracket. Inside the bracket we'll have 1 over cos squared minus 1. Because we took a 1 over sine squared common here. That would leave 1 over cos squared in here, minus the 1 of course here. Okay, so we've written that in terms of sine theta and cos theta, so there's our answer to part A. Okay, hence show that this is equal to sec squared theta. So what have we got here then? Well, this is equal to, so I'm going to copy this now. So I'll just copy that. So I've just got it here. Okay, let's have a look at it then. So here, this is equal to 1 over sine squared. Now 1 over cos squared is sec squared, isn't it? Sec squared theta minus 1. Now sec squared, so if we've forgotten, sine squared plus cos squared equals 1. So to get sec squared we need to divide by cos, don't we? So we get tan squared plus 1 equals sec squared. So sec squared minus 1 will be just tan squared. So this is tan squared over sine squared. And here tan squared is 1 over cos squared. The sine squared will cancel. So that's equal to 1 over cosine squared. Because the sine squared in the tan squared will cancel. And that's equal to sec squared theta, which is what we wanted to show. Hence, otherwise solve this equation equals 4 then. So 4 here. So we have this equation then that we've been working on. It's sec squared, which is 1 over cos squared, is equal to 4. And we want to solve that then, don't we? Equals 4. Okay, so we got that. So that tells us then that cos squared will equal 1/4. And that tells us that cosine theta is either equal square root both sides, it's going to be a half, or cosine theta is equal to minus a half. Alright, let's look at this one then. Cos theta is a half. Let's draw the circle, CAST, for this left-hand side problem. Cos is positive here and here. 2 lines, mark off alpha, the associated acute angle, and simply write cosine alpha is equal to a half. So alpha is equal to shift cos of a half. Cos of 60, isn't it, or pi over 3 radians. So there's alpha, so our first solution is round to here. Our second solution will be round to here. We've just checked the paper, and we need to solve in the range of theta between 0 and pi. Let me just flick back to it just to remind ourselves. 0 to pi is where the solutions need to be solved. So we need only worry about this solution here. This one is outside the range. So here the answer will be then theta will equal pi over 3, then onto that's the only solution here. Now the next problem, let's draw this, CAST. Cosine is positive here and here, so it's negative there and there. 2 lines. And simply write cosine alpha is equal to, and drop the negative. So alpha will equal, again it's pi over 3, which is in here, of course. So our solution is round to here, which is round 180, back 60 is 120. So theta, in this case, is 2 pi over 3. So we have this and this as our solution sets for the values of theta.